formatting for buttons. I'll look this up from our previous code to center, I think, these buttons. Let's see what it looks like now. Let's see. Looks like this. It's all bunched up. We'll separate them so they're more spaced. Let's see. Add Y. Now let's see what it looks like now. Okay, that looks a little better. Not all bunched up. It should work the same. Now we can add a timer function, so we can measure how much time it takes to go through a selection. I looked up a Python function. I asked Google Gemini to create a time difference function in Python, and this is what I got. We'll use that. So let's go ahead and add it here. And what we can do here is we'll measure the time for this function. So to start time equals date time. Let's import date time. This is using date time. Date time. I think now. Now date time. Date time now. So this is start time, and then there will be end time when it's done. Date time. Date time. Now. And the duration will be this thing here. Start time. End time. Let's print this. Or a message box. We'll import message box. Um, I think, let's see. Show info. This will be kind of message success if it's successful. Processing time equals duration. What is this? Maybe undefined because we have to do self. Let's see if we get time duration message. Try it again. Open browser. Is our driver still good? We got a new driver. In the last list, we had 500. Use the same last list and get the list, just here. And now select. Here we go. Oh, that was loud, but we got a message. Processing time 18 seconds. Okay. Now let's get an output also to see what items were checked. So anytime a work order is selected, we'll get a record of that and create a list and append to that list. So checked whole list is an empty list. Now, XPath value looks something like this. From this, we have to get the work order number. Didn't we do that yesterday? No, we didn't. So we have to do what's being done. We have to reverse this. So we have to, instead of getting the work order number and convert it to XPath, we have to convert XPath into a work order number value. So we have the work order number here. It's over here. You have to get it from here. So after we click, let's get the work order number. It's not call. Let's give it a different variable name because we already have war number here. Selected war equals, let's see. What does our XPath look like? Here, the number. We have to get the number out of this value. XPath split. We'll split this by this value. But actually, replace this with value work order and space. And also, then we have this guy here. We'll replace that too with blank value. So we should get the work order number here. So checked, goal list, append, selected. We'll create a data frame. And we'll save this to CSV and the path. I think we had a create path. This is a list. We create a path. We'll import OS and create a variable. Self file there should point to the directory where this file is saved. So output will go there. Save to CSV. And save this to CSV. And output. Create an output folder here. So we created a new folder here, output. So this output should be saved here. We'll see. Okay, now let's try this. Open browser. Here's your browser. We'll try the same 500. Get the work order list, which is here. See if this works. Okay, see if there's an output. And let's bring it over to our Excel. Put all files. We had a column here. I don't think it matters, but I mean, column name. Gotta promote, man. Got control V here. So, okay, checklist now. Okay, so now I can check if this item is in our list. So we didn't have, how many did we have? I don't want everything through here, right? Lock this. Spawn DNA. Come on, man. Okay, we're looking for true. So everything is in our list, and now let's check if everything uh, here is also here. Make sure that nothing is missed. Well, this checks if anything wrong was picked. Uh, this confirms that no wrong project was selected. And if we do this same the other way, we'll make sure that everything is picked, everything that was supposed to have been picked. So we'll do the same thing. Is number match I3, 3, I1 is here. Select the whole column actually. True. Drag it down all the way to, is this right? I mean, we had only 170 something items. All the way to 500, was it? Here. These are all true. So 174 items, 174 all selected. Is it all true? Let's check. So all true. So everything that we told it to select was selected, and everything that was selected was something that we told it to select. So we're checking both ways so that to make sure that correct items were selected and that all items that were supposed to have been selected are selected. So yeah, this is it. This is how we check the output. And this is our entire app. This is what we wanted to build. And it works as designed. You can do this to clear it. We can just refresh the page also to clear it. Let's let it finish. It's going to be allowed. Okay, good. All right. So we were able to build the app that opens a browser, uh, brings in the list of items that need to be selected, and here selects all the items that are supposed to be selected. And the next step would be, we don't need this anymore. Next step would be to create an executable for this app so that we don't need the Python IDE to be able to run this. So we can just start it up from our desktop. we won't need to do that. There is already a video we recorded um, for a previous app that we had built. It's going to be exactly the same process. Essentially, we use an auto high to exit tool, I think it's called. We don't really do anything. The tool does everything. We just point to this file, and auto pi to exit does all the work. It takes this file and creates the executable that we can save to our desktop, and we can use it. Any computer should be able to use Windows, at least should be able to use this app without needing to have Python. Okay, that's all we wanted to cover in this video. Thank you for watching.